everybody? My name is Jay Fatty. Welcome back to another video. Today we're talking about the new merge feature that you can do, okay, and the different groups of merging that you can now do in FL Studio 20.9. Alright, so if we wanted to just merge all of these drums here together, all we'd have to do is hold Control, left click, and highlight, and then do Control G. And it's going to merge all that into one track. Now, if I wanted to merge these effects down here all together, I could also do that by Control left clicking, highlighting, and then just a Control G. It's going to render it out. And now all of it will be merged together. It also works with effects and automation, okay? So say we had a bunch of different automations. We kind of wanted them bundled together. You can do a Control Shift and a left click to highlight and unhighlight things as well, which is really nice. But yeah, now we can do a Control G and it would bundle all of those effects together. That's pretty much it. There's a bunch in FL Studio 20.9 that they added. You can check it out. Their full video that ImageLine did with the link in the description. Go learn more. But yeah, if this video brought you value, please leave a like, hit subscribe, and hit the little bell. Much love, y'all. Peace.